Hey y'all, Coach Mel here from Sincerely Creative Mom. I am one of the coaches inside the Creative Coaching Group. This one should go fairly quick, maybe, you know me. But we're gonna dress up this little acorn. So, the acorns are super easy to dress up, dress down, put a bow on it, it's fine by itself. We're gonna set this aside. We're gonna work on going up and down. So I don't want to cover all of this prettiness. Like I don't want to lose this. I want to keep it there. So we're going to keep that in our brains. I'm going to pull these apart and we're going to use 1 and 1. So we're going to make like a teensy tiny little mini swag is what we're going to do. And we're going to put this one on the bottom. So just pieces I pick up from here and there and everywhere kind of end up. This is going to go on the bottom. I'm going to pull that up and through. So pretty. I don't want to put too many zip ties on it, so I'm not going to put a zip tie on it yet. Oh, I love this. And oh, I love this. I'm trying to not put them like all in a row, but look how pretty that is. Very easy, very, very sweet. Coming out with the glam. All right, let me just, I know I said I wasn't going to do this, but let me just hold on to this really tight. So I tried to put those in at different lengths. See now, because they're not like all the same. So you have one kind of sticking out a little bit further. So I think I want this underneath here. Let's see. Like that a little bit. Oh, yes, 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 yes. And bring that up a little. Just not used. There we go. I love it. Now I got all this mess we gotta deal with here, but I love that. All right, I am gonna I feel like I want to just cut most of that off. I might put it under the we might go for it. I might gonna put it under the oopsie. Oh, I did not think that was going to do it, and it did. Just gotta pull that grass out. That's a pretty little cluster. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna pull this apart just like we did. I'm gonna try to keep that intact as much as I can, but get rid of the extra yucky stuff. We're gonna pull this apart so it's nice and fluffed out. Clamp down. Perfect. Look at that. Look at how cute that is. I'm going to make sure that those stay. Look at how close I want to get those. I want to get them really close so that it doesn't, I mean, we do want it separation here, separation there. I intentionally didn't want it to be like one big thing, but I do want those to be as close as possible. And I'm going to try to get that zip tie right through here. So it's going to be in the middle of this one and in top of this one and on top of that one. So it'll extra help stay. You know all my fancy words, extra help stay. So this is going to be a little tricky, but I want to make sure that it doesn't, shift. You know what I'm going to use? A trusty little tool here. Ah, yes. Look at how easy that made it. So cute. And then, I don't know if I'm going to like this ribbon as much as I thought it. Ooh, the back side is really pretty. Hold the phone. We're going to use the back. We're going to use the back and the glitter is going to be underneath. Yes. Okay. Okay. Totally love it. Is it going to be too thick here? Let's try it. All right, since this is really little, we're just going to do little. This is like under 4 inches, little tiny. That is so pretty. All right, I'm digging it. Should we do 1 and 1? Oh, I might do that. No, I'm going to keep it the other way. I'm in love with this. I'm going to try to do these exactly, well, not exact, but as close to the same as possible. And this ribbon is really thick. It's a really nice one. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. Okay. I'm going to do a zippy tie. Get that nice and tight. Oh, it looks so pretty with that. And then I'm going to take the glittered side, fold that in half. Ooh la la. Actually, let's just see what it looks like before we go in. Oh yes. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh yes. I like it lower too. Middle. I like it. Okay, I'm digging it. Let's do it. Okay. This is so, so pretty. This is so, so pretty. All right, I'm going to take this and attach it right to that. And then we're going to use that super duper cute. We're going to use that to attach it to that. But first, I'm going to go in and add this. But we're going to add it like a janky way because I don't have a glue gun. Can you also see? Yeah, okay. All right, so I'm going to cut it off a little bit. And this is going to be my glue gun, y'all. Look at how cute that is. Okay, I'm in love with this. I don't even want to put it on there. Okay. All right, we're going to attach it right there. This is so cute, if I do say so myself. I like it down a little bit further. It's a little different than normal. It's so pretty like that. Okay, and that's all we have. Look at that. That's adorable. And I like that we didn't put it right at the top. It's super duper cute.